Welcome to Onyibeke's kitchen once again. I hope you guys are doing okay. So on today's menu, we are going to be making a delicious flour sauce perfect for your white rice. We are going to be using all-purpose flour, and we are going to make a roux with all these beautiful ingredients. It's very simple to make, perfect for bodies, delicious and nutritious. And so these are the ingredients that we need: all-purpose flour, baby carrots, and green beans. We have our green onions and yellow onions, green bell pepper, seasoning, oil, and the shrimp. So we have for our base, I'm going to be using a delicious chicken stock. Okay, I made it myself, fresh. So these are the ingredients that we need for this delicious flour sauce. So I'm using half of the onions. So I'm gonna add some oil to make our roux. Then chopped onions. And let it cook until it softens. Then we add the flour. So I'm going to add the flour. One thing with the roux is that it takes a lot, so be mindful of that. Taking so much and rice, so we keep stirring. In every Nigerian body, people prefer the sauce to the regular Nigerian tomato stew. So if you are a fan for this kind of sauce, then this is how to make it. So I'm going to add our delicious chicken broth. We need that much chicken broth because it's going to thicken. It has all the spices and it tastes good. So we're going to be adding some salt for taste if there's need for that later. So right now I'm going to cover the pot and let it cook. So as the sauce is cooking, we're going to chop the vegetables. So now I'm going to check on the sauce. I have to keep stirring so that it will not stick at the bottom and get burnt. We are checking on our sauce. So look at it. Don't cover it properly or it will spill. Okay, so this is the consistency that we have. And I like this consistency. You don't want it too thick or runny either. So I'm going to add the shrimp. It's properly washed and deveined. So I'm going to let the shrimp cook before we add the vegetables. I'm gonna add the vegetables. Don't add too much, okay? Add according to the size of your sauce. Okay? And our green pepper and green onions. I'm gonna be leaving some green onions for garnishing. Adding a little salt. Look at it. So we are coming to the end of this video. Please subscribe, share this video, comment. God bless you. I'm going to cover up the pot and let our vegetable cook until it softens. So we are checking on our beautiful sauce. Look at the vegetables. They are soft and ready. It's very delicious and inviting. So we've come to the end of our cooking. And it's time to dish it out. So this is our beautiful sauce that we made today. It is ready, as you can see. It's inviting and delicious. So right now we are going to dish our food. So here I have a plate I prepared. It's for rice. You can also use it as soup. So I'm going to plate it. So this is our beautiful food that we made today. So we've come to the end of our video today. This is our beautiful food that we made today. I want you to subscribe to this channel. And I will be seeing you in my next video.